What looks like an innocent game, free video editor, or cheat tool could secretly infect your child's computer. One unsafe download is all it takes. Unsafe apps can install malware, steal passwords, spy on online activities, or even allow hackers to remotely control the computer. Some software also exposes children to inappropriate content, violent material, or online scams. The risks are much bigger than most parents realize. The problem is, parents simply can't watch their kids every minute. Children often install software while studying, gaming, or chatting with friends. By the time parents notice, the damage may already be done. That's why every family should establish simple software safety rules. Only install apps from trusted sources, never run unknown programs, and always ask parents before installing anything new. Good habits are the first line of defense. For stronger protection, AnySecura Family Edition helps parents stay in control. Only approved apps can be installed with application whitelists, while unsafe software is blocked automatically. If a risky app is already on the computer, parents can remotely terminate it and uninstall it. Need to know what happened while you were away? Simply check the application activity logs to see what programs were launched and when. Parents can also monitor the computer in real time or review screen recordings whenever needed. Give your kids the freedom to learn. Give yourself the confidence they're protected with AnySecura Family Edition.